Okay, part 2. Here we go.
Now in its 10th year.
Live here at Sundance Square. Let me tell you, there's so many people out here.
They started packing. They left before the sun came up that day.
I remember that song from back in the day, but I didn't know who it was. So that's a real throwback for me. Looks best on here.
What's the wind coming good? What's those voices that you heard?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
There it goes. 2026. Here we go. Nice. Oh, there goes one of the best years of my life, and I hope it was yours too. Happy 2026, everyone. Might have to chop this up for copyright, so I'm sorry about that, but that's just how it is.